Mazda just did something its most loyal owners never saw coming. The 2027 CX-5 is arriving with a direct fix for every complaint that has followed this SUV for years. If you have been holding off on buying a CX-5 because the rear seat felt like an afterthought, the fuel economy couldn't keep up with hybrid rivals, or the tech felt a generation behind, the 2027 CX-5 fixes everything. The new model is delivering a brand new in-house hybrid system, a dramatically larger cabin, and premium-grade interior quality, all without touching what made this SUV great in the first place. Hybrid is coming. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is making history with its first-ever hybrid powertrain. This is not a borrowed setup like the one found in the CX-50, which runs on Toyota's well-established hybrid technology. Mazda is building its own system from scratch, an in-house platform carrying SkyActiv Z branding, confirmed for production debut with the 2027 model year. Every week, CX-5 owners pull up next to a RAV4 hybrid or a CR-V hybrid at the pump and watch them drive away on far less fuel. That gap has been the single biggest knock against the CX-5 for years, and it is exactly what the new hybrid is built to close. The setup is expected to center on a 4-cylinder engine, likely in the 2.0 or 2.5-liter range, paired with at least one electric motor, with all-wheel drive widely expected to be standard. The gas-only CX-5 currently returns around 24 miles per gallon city and 29 highway. The hybrid is targeting considerably better, somewhere in the mid-30s to low 40s, which would put it squarely among the most efficient compact SUVs on the market. Electric motor torque provides immediate low-end response, and that should translate into noticeably quicker acceleration as well. The in-house development gives Mazda's engineers full control over powertrain character, something a borrowed system simply cannot offer. A more efficient powertrain is a major step, but it means very little if the people riding in the back are still miserable, and that brings us to a change that is long overdue. Generous passenger space. The 2027 CX-5 is growing. Body length and wheelbase are both increasing by 4.5 inches, while overall width is expanding by ½ inch. These are not token adjustments. They represent a genuine structural shift, and the benefits are going straight to the people sitting inside. Ask anyone who has taken the outgoing CX-5 on a road trip with adult passengers in the back. Legroom runs out fast, headroom is tight, and the complaints start within the first hour. That is the exact problem the 2027 model is engineered to solve. Rear legroom and headroom are both increasing meaningfully, and the cargo area is growing alongside them. This is going to be a significantly more practical vehicle than its predecessor without compromising the driving character the CX-5 has always been known for. The longer wheelbase and wider body are structural upgrades, not styling changes, and Mazda's engineers are not giving up ride quality or handling sharpness to get there. More space is a genuine win, but if the materials surrounding those passengers still feel like a budget rental car, none of it matters. And that is exactly where Mazda is making its boldest moves yet. Elegant inside and out. Exterior styling on the 2027 CX-5 is drawing inspiration from Japanese woodcraft traditions. Clean geometry, restrained surface work, and sharply resolved details define the new design language. Both headlights and taillights are getting reshaped LED units, while at the tailgate the logo badge is being replaced by full Mazda script lettering, a clean, upscale touch that gives the rear end a noticeably more premium appearance. Inside, the upgrade in materials quality is going to be immediately apparent. There is a certain frustration that comes with paying close to $30,000 for a compact SUV and still finding hard, hollow plastics every time you rest your arm or close a door. The 2027 CX-5 is addressing that directly. Soft-touch surfaces are expanding throughout the cabin, trim finishes are more refined, and the overall fit and finish are heading into territory typically associated with luxury brands. The CX-5 will continue being assembled in Japan, and that heritage shows in the attention applied to every interior surface. Optional 7-color ambient lighting is also joining the feature list on select trims. The materials are premium, the design is elegant, but Mazda also redesigned the tech at the center of this cabin, and that is where opinions are going to be sharply divided. Modern infotainment. The new infotainment setup is a clear departure from anything the model has offered before. A 12.9-inch touchscreen is going to be standard on base hybrid models, while upper trims will offer Mazda's largest ever display at 15.6 inches. Both screens come standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Google built-in apps for maps and voice commands. Think about what it means to adjust the temperature on a long drive, only to dig through a touchscreen menu instead of reaching for a dedicated knob. That transition is worth acknowledging. Physical controls for climate and basic functions are being consolidated into the screen, a move Mazda describes as a deliberate reduction of console distraction. Not every buyer is going to embrace that logic right away. But the technology behind these screens is genuinely in a different league. Response times are faster, resolution is sharper, and the feature set is far broader than any previous CX-5 generation. A wireless charging pad, optional digital driver's display, and USB-C ports in both seating rows are rounding out the package in ways that matter for everyday use. All of this technology and refinement is impressive, but it sits on top of a powertrain that some buyers are going to question, and that question deserves a direct answer. Proven base engine. Gas-only versions of the 2027 CX-5 are carrying forward the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, rated at 187 horsepower. The engine is not new, and that is precisely the point. Mazda is keeping it because it has earned its place, with a reliability record built across hundreds of thousands of real-world vehicles. New turbocharged engines and hybrid systems carry a degree of unknown risk, and sometimes the repair bills to match. For buyers who want none of that uncertainty, the 2.5-liter CX-5 is one of the safest choices in the segment. This engine has been in the field long enough to have its quirks fully documented, and there are very few of them. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with it carries the same story. Refined across multiple model years, proven durable, and well understood by mechanics nationwide. Fuel economy is estimated at around 24 miles per gallon city and 29 highway. Solid figures for an all-wheel drive compact SUV. For buyers who prioritize long-term reliability over chasing MPG numbers, this remains one of the most sensible powertrain choices in the class. Everything about the 2027 CX-5 sounds right, but a well-equipped SUV with a high price tag is just another car nobody buys. So let's talk about what this is actually going to cost. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is on track to arrive later this year. Buyers choosing the gas-powered version are not going to see dramatic price movement from where the current model sits. The base gas lineup is staying competitive without any major sticker shock. The hybrid is a different equation. New in-house powertrain engineering and a modernized technology suite are all factored in. The 2027 CX-5 hybrid is about to start at around $37,000, placing it directly alongside the Toyota RAV4 hybrid, Honda CR-V hybrid, and Kia Sportage hybrid. That is strong competition, but the CX-5 is entering that fight with a more driver-focused character and cabin quality that none of those rivals can easily match. One variable worth watching: the CX-5 will continue being assembled in Japan. Import tariff policies could affect final pricing before the on-sale date, so buyers should stay current with official announcements as the launch approaches. The 2027 Mazda CX-5 is not some minor refresh. It is a direct response to every legitimate criticism the model has carried for years. The rear seat is finally gaining meaningful space. The in-house hybrid is closing the efficiency gap against class leaders. Interior materials are moving into genuine premium territory, and the infotainment system is arriving fully modernized. For buyers who want the gas route, the proven 2.5-liter engine and 6-speed automatic are still there, reliable, durable, and backed by years of real-world data, at around $37,000 for the hybrid and competitive pricing on the gas model. This is the most complete version of the CX-5 Mazda has ever produced, and one of the strongest arguments for compact SUV buyers to stop waiting and start paying attention. Still, don't forget that this is the most competitive segment in the market and that there are so many options around. If you're looking for something more rugged, something adventure-ready, something that's not necessarily putting focus on luxury and elegance, then you definitely want to check out our latest video about the Subaru Forester. Famous for its impeccable all-wheel drive system and great off-road potential, this SUV also comes loaded with safety and tech features, and combines it with excellent outward visibility and great overall practicality, which altogether make it one of the most complete compact SUVs you can buy on the market today.